All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I want to go ahead and show you real brief in this video the new sub case Unicorn Beetle Pro for the AirPods 1 and 2. I still use my AirPods. Obviously, I have the first generation AirPods, and I will not be getting rid of these until they just are falling apart and don't work. So shout out to Subcase for sending these over. I'll leave a link in the description. No kickbacks or anything from me for me, but you will be able to support Subcase, and you could help keep the movement going. So they produce some pretty good products. So my current case that I was using wasn't so much a rugged style case, and this case is actually pretty sweet. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the packaging here. It comes in 4 colors. It comes in a black, blue, a red, and a dark green. So you already know which one I got. Get a little belt clip here, or a little clip you can hook on to something. You got to represent. You already know. You already know. So here's the case itself, and it just goes on like this. It'll clip onto the AirPod case. And some people might think this is crazy, but this is actually very much needed because I've dropped my AirPods a number of times and they went flying. So this is something that is definitely beneficial to us. So it's going to go in like this, sitting in. Let's see here. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Goes in this way. So we'll slide it in and put it on. And this is a very snug fit, folks. Booyah. That is just exactly what this needed. You can see how it opens from the back. It's got just enough give there to clear everything. You got your port open on the bottom down here. You've got a little bit of carbon fiber design down there. That is sweet. And this time the port is all the way open, which is kind of cool. You got that carbon fiber on the sides and then the top. And then you've got drop protection all around. Lay on the table design too for both sides, which is pretty sweet. And then you can put this port part on right here to clip on the belt hoop or whatever, however you want to do it. Just work it through. This is boss right here. I mean, this is just straight up boss. I like that. And then boom, you've got it to where you can clip it onto your belt or hoop or whatever. You've even got carbon fiber on the keychain portion. They balled out on this. Obviously, this is more than likely not real carbon fiber material, but in fact, they do have the nice uniform design. Now, tell me this isn't boss right here. Tell me that's not boss. Subcase, man, this is clean right here. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and grab yours if you're interested in something like this. Believe it or not, accessories is like phones sell. But accessories is where it's at. People spend a lot of money on accessories. We all do. We buy cases and we buy all these different things for our phones because it's important to keep it protected. So I would tell you, man, this thing is very, very nice. I appreciate Subcase sending over. And this is definitely a drop protection case for your AirPods. First and second gen, this is all you. Nothing for the Pro yet. But if you do see some, probably have it for you. It's your man Jay. Take care.